Hey everybody, what is going on? I am HotUpPizza Gamer. Welcome to a video today, guys. We are going to be playing some Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare, and we are going to be playing some garden ops, and I'm playing as a Shadow Flower. And we're on I don't know what map we're on. What map are we on? I don't even know this. But I think we should be over here. Okay, we already did that. Alright, that's good. Just let me go over here, please. Just here quickly. Give me up. Wait, we cannot respawn. So this is who we are for the entire game. Okay. I've attempted recording this so many times, but it just didn't work. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it. So, plus I got this new character, so I decided to do it with this guy. But then when I did record it, I decided not to put it in. We won. We won, but apparently somebody died, so it didn't count as a win. Oh, here. Can I please? Yeah. How about that, guys? Please, here. There we go. Still hitting this guy. Hope he's okay. And that's Flip Level 1 gone. Now where's this darkness guy? There we go. I got you. Wave 2. I think I'm gonna rush with this guy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rush with this guy. Put. Where's the other guys? Die. Die. There we go. I'm actually getting some damage done to me. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, I want this guy. Do you honestly need to heal him? No, this guy does. There we go. I'm here to help you, sir. You will be healed. Oh, heal me. There we go. Okay, where's the zombie? Okay, so it's over here. I'm thinking I should get to higher ground or try to cut him off with my sunbeams. See how this goes. Oh, heal him. Boom, there we go. Is there into him? Under it. But boom, there we go. We got that guy so quickly, so that's an achievement done. So just get this guy over here. The guy over there? Guys. Boom, that's a kill. Where's the other guys? I can't find them. And I think that's all of them. And good, there we go. It's the healing pot over here. Yes, there is. There we go. Special wave, Weed Whacker. I don't know if that's... I think that is... Yeah, it's these guys. this guy over here. Give me some of that. Destroy that. Oh, no, he's down. We got a guy down. Revive me. Yes. For that guy. Throw. Throw. Yeah, throw it. Okay, so I guess that's what I want. Okay. Okay, let's go. Those guys, not really a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay. Okay, so this one's not gonna be that hard. And they spawn right here. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, run, run, run. Oh jeez. Help. Actually, no, I'm gonna use it. And over here. Oh my god, yes, go. Get to safety, get to safety. Give me this. Yeah. And impale him. Impale. Lag. Lots of lag. And then here. Yeah. We're good. Where's the guys down? Okay, must use the self-revive. Where? Okay, so... take him out. Oh no, dude. Tag. Okay, save this guy, save this guy. Okay, give me some of that, thank yous. So this should be round 5 or 6? Round 6. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Anyone over there? No? Okay, so they're all here. Plant this thing. Plants. I need, but here you go. Oh, actually, I can go 2 in 1. There we go. Zombie vanquish. Available end of round, a new pack. Actually, give me this. There we go. Vanquish 3 players. Okay. Oh, kill 3 people. Like real people, not these guys. Heal teammates 5 times with heal flowers. Okay. So I think we could try to do that this game. Just simmer down, sis. Simmer down. Okay, just save that guy's life. Actually, kill this guy. There we go. Kill this guy as well, and kill that guy. Is this guy okay, or I don't know. See this guy? Yeah. See this guy? Kill this. Kill that. Give me some of that. Let me kill this thing. Damn it. But. This guys is getting really hectic. I don't like it. I don't like it to get too hectic for me. Whew. Come here. I think this guy's AFK. There you go, you get a little help in. How's it? Yes. Okay, so they're all in the here. No guarding damage. Okay, I think we can do this. Oh, failed. Somebody already got damage. Okay, let me get this guy. Should I? Yeah. Over here, I can see. Okay. Let me kill this guy. Jeez. Yeah, that guy's already dead. Wave complete. Only with a little bit of amount of damage done to the garden. Heal this Gatling gun guy. Don't know where that thing was. This guy's seriously, this guy's obviously okay. Round 9. Oh, he's back for round 10 because we might need him. Come here. Oh my god. What was that? I just lost a ton of damage. Just lost a ton of hearts. Kill him. Thank you. Arrowhead, come here. Why he OP? Oh no. Uh-huh. And oh my god. This is hectic, this is painful. Take this, guys. I need that guy. Oh no, oh no. I'm losing hearts. Come here. Mr. What's his face? Come here. Oh my gosh, everyone is hurt. Everyone is hurt. Oh my god. Got so many plants, a sunflower. Oh my god, big guy. Big guy, no, not Gigantor. Yeah. We are screwed. He's so intimidating with this little kid. Super Gigantor wave. I think, and I'm just spitballing here, I think we should plant a sunflower. Actually, no, I have sunflowers. I can plant them all by my lonesome. Die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I can't even see him. Oh. Okay, so it's only me now. Damn it. Wait, I can't use it? Okay, help me. Help me. Yeah, we're screwed. We are so screwed. Oh no, Dark Angel, come save me. No, I'm dead. Go. Run away. Go. Go. Oh, he's still alive. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I saved the team because I think we can do better than that. Huh. Plant your sunflowers and stuff. Okay, you're expecting me to do sunflowers? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, that's horrible. Go. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Oh no. Oh no, save me. Save me. No. Seriously? It's still good? Good. Run! Run, little boy, run! Oh, he killed one! Okay, kill that guy. Oh no. Oh no. Run and plant a flower, little boy. Yeah, I guess that's good. Oh no, run. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, Dog Angel. We're gonna go again. Okay, so my camera's just about to run out of space. So if so, I'm gonna take my phone and videotape on my phone. Hope that will do something. Anyone over here? I knew it. Nope. Missed. Kill this guy, kill this guy. Nope. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Go over here? Yes, 100%. Go. 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 Run. 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 Go. Problem. There you go, that's one guy down. Oh, jeez. Over here? Anyone? Okay. Oh my god. Run. Go. Yes, there we go. Yes, now the hard part's done. Let's go save the garden, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. Our garden's getting destroyed over here.